Hey, once again, trying to make things and getting a little better at it. This was made on my Dyna. It's actually a Dro scale mount for my Harbor Freight 12 by 36 lathe. It's mounts to the cross slide, or to the carriage actually, and my Dro scale will mount into the two holes. This will mount to the lathe carriage, and then these are slots for a tie wrap to hold a cable across the top of this bracket so it's out of the way. And I actually did all the processes on the top. I did the chamfering of each hole. I did the counter bores. I did the through holes. I did chamfer on the edge. I did the profile and entered in on the corner, because I always heard the corners are where you should come in instead of a straight, and it's easier to hide the tool mark where it introduces itself into the material. There is a, somewhere around here where I started, there is a, well, I thought there was a mark at some point. Oh, it is. It's right here. If you really look at it, you can see it. Anyway, it turned out all right. I did all the work from this side, and then I just flipped the part over and end milled the end of it until the part was revealed. I've been cutting around the perimeter of parts and dropping them out, only to find that that last part, as it cuts away, ends up knocking the part across a little bit and ends up putting a tool mark in the edge of it. And I knew there had to be a prettier way to do it that didn't mess with your nice machine finishes. And this was my first successful thing with no problems, and it turned out very pretty. Though the lines are visible, I can't feel it. I can't feel it with my fingernails. I can't feel it at all. It's just totally a visual thing, and I don't know how to measure the surface differences, but I sure can't feel it with the bare hand. Anyway, I'll show it to you mounted later. See ya. It fits perfectly, by the way.